on this, and then I thought I should make a video. So this is kind of the story of what happened to this tractor. This is a John Deere 332. I set it up to go snow blow some snow. Well, the snow finally came. Went to go start it. Engine doesn't run. All it does is make smoke and whatnot. I mean, it was pretty worn out when I had gotten it. There was a fair amount of blow by, but it always ran. Now it doesn't run. It doesn't even run off any sort of ether. So I'm guessing that the compression's too low for it to run now. I had tried a new set of glow plugs. They work properly. So we can say that the fuel is not the problem and the glow plugs aren't the problem. So the only thing really left is the compression. So here we go. I'm going to take the head off and we're going to go inspect the cylinders. As you can see, I already took the valve cover off and everything. So we'll get to it. We have to remove the rocker shaft first. As you can see, a push tube came out with it. It's fairly important to make sure that the push tubes go back in the same hole they came out of if you're not planning on replacing them because of the cam wear. So we'll know those are center. Well, no, those are number 3. And old number 1. Alright, so here are our valves. We're going to go start taking the head bolts off in the socket here. And of course, the little impact gun died. I did bring another battery though. And of course that battery's dead too. Looks like we're gonna go old school for this one. The little booger's got some torque to him. Somewhere out there, I got him.